alive or abducted? The police did not have an answer for this question for almost 7 days after the 19-year-old Sneha Debnath went missing on the 7th of July. She was last seen here on the Signature Bridge where the Ola driver dropped her, and since then she went missing. And only last night the Delhi police, along with NDRF team members, found her body, identified it. The body went for autopsy, and it was found under the Geeta Colony flyover bridge. And of course it is given that she ended her life from jumping from this very bridge, the Signature Bridge. Now what is also striking is that yesterday NDTV got access to the letter, handwritten letter written by Sneha Debnath, which was at her home. Her family members found it the day she went missing. There she clearly wrote in 4 lines, she summed it up, that she was feeling that she was a burden, and she didn't want to blame it to anyone, and she had planned to end her life here on the from the Signature Bridge. So it was pre-planned, and the question is that how could Delhi police take almost a week to find this 19-year-old girl who was pursuing a double degree from Delhi University and IIT Madras. She was also working. Her family members are yet to cope with this fact that she was suffering mentally, because yesterday we spent an entire evening with the family members of the victim, and they clearly said that she was a vibrant personality, an overachiever for that matter, and they did not see any overt symptoms of depression, but one of her closest friends did reveal that she was upset about a few reasons, but we will not speculate the reason at this point in time. We understand that her family belongs from Tripura, although she's been living in Delhi for very many years. She had a good relationship with both her parents. Her father is going through a kidney failure and is taking dialysis every day now, and now the question remains here in the Signature Bridge where we are right now. There are a lot of CCTV cameras. The fact that there was a delayed investigation in this matter, that needs to be questioned. The police told us that there are 60 CCTVs here on the Signature Bridge. None of them are fully functional. They are all defunct. And you can see it's a fast moving traffic here. And if on the 7th of July, Sneha Debnath came here and decided to jump from this very Signature Bridge, no one could have noticed it. Some of the eyewitnesses did say to the police that they saw this girl, but no one really saw her jumping from this very Signature Bridge. It is an absolute tragedy that it took almost 7 days to find her body, that too 10 kilometers away from this Signature Bridge in Geeta Colonies, under the Geeta Colony flyover in the Yamuna waters. It's an absolute tragedy. The need of the hour is for more mental health interventions in universities and workplaces across India, and secondly the need for fully functional CCTV cameras, not only on this Signature Bridge in the national capital, but in all these key areas. We are talking about the national capital at the end of the day. The CM of Tripura had to intervene in this matter. He had tweeted out 2 days ago that this is an appalling case of this 19-year-old girl and her plight, but only last night, after almost a week, we found out that she was found under the Geeta Colony flyover dead. And this is at this point in time we understand that the CCTV cameras here at the Signature Bridge did lead to the delayed investigation process. With camera person Siddhish, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV, Delhi.